Hi there guys, so this is example number 2 with trig equations, and we are focusing on the general solution of this equation. So we'll start off by, taking this -1 across and then dividing by that square root 2. That should at least isolate the cos theta. Okay, but now I still need to solve theta, the angle. Now in order for me to do that, I need to find two things. First of all, I need to get a reference angle for this equation, and then I also need to find the quadrants where cos is positive in this case. Okay, so if you remember our previous example, you can just compare the two scenarios. Now, the reference angle, we're just going to say shift cos of whatever we have here, 1 over root 2. If there was a negative, you would just include the positive value there, but this is already positive. So this should be equal to 45 degrees. And then the quadrants where cos is positive is the first and the fourth quadrant. Okay. Now you need to keep in mind what we see in the first and fourth quadrant as part of our reduction table. In the first quadrant, it's just theta, and in the fourth quadrant, we have 360 minus theta. So these are the important things we're going to take into account. So now when we go further and we write down our solutions, I can say, well, in the first quadrant, theta is simply equal to 45 degrees, which is my reference angle over here. And then in the fourth quadrant, theta will be equal to 360 minus the 45 degrees, which is 315 degrees. Okay, and again, the period of cos is the same as the period for sine. So it's 360 degrees. That's what we need to write here to show that this answer appears every 360 degrees. Okay, and we're just going to say k is an element of z. K is an element of all the integers. Cool.